The Water for All Partnership is an EU-funded initiative for scientific research and innovation for the water sector. Its goal is to tackle water challenges to face climate change, help to achieve the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, and boost Europe's competitiveness and growth to achieve a water-smart society. The Pillar D of Water for All, led by Water Europe, intends to demonstrate the efficiency of innovative solutions through the water-oriented living labs. This is a series of interviews to the frontrunners of water-oriented living labs that will join forces and collaborate in the next phases of the program. Enjoy the series.
Good morning. Today we have the pleasure of welcoming Lucia Guzmaroli from the Water-Oriented Living Lab called the Catalan Water Partnership. And to kick off our discussion, we'd like to begin with a question for you, Lucia. Are you ready?
Yes.
So, what are the innovative practices, technologies, and methodologies used in the Catalan Water Partnership, please?
Thank you, Desi. So I think we have to consider two things. Firstly, that the ultimate aim of the Catalan Water Partnership is to provide support to our members to overcome their challenges. And secondly, that the value provided by CWP relies in the collaboration, both within the water sector and beyond it. So I think that the close contact between the Catalan Water Partnership staff and our members is crucial to be aware of their needs, ongoing projects and challenges, so that in this way we can support them in a really impactful way. And on the other hand, the establishment of a network of contacts beyond the water sector related to water, but in other topics such as blue economy, smart cities, agri-food, cosmetics, for example, allows us to scout for opportunities that fall outside the usual fields of operation of our members. And in this way, we're able to foster innovation and provide added value both to our members to allow them to reach niche that they wouldn't consider or they wouldn't even aim for, as well to other sectors. And also I would like to mention two more things. So complementarity and the economy of scale as key aspects in our projects. So regarding complementarity, we oftentimes put together actors from different fields. Let's say, for example, universities, technological centers, research centers with innovative SMEs, so that they can develop joint innovative solutions. And regarding the innovative, the economy of scale, for example, we work with different types of end users. So that we can maximize the impact and uptake potential of the technological solutions that we develop. So we were able to obtain more robust and more statistically relevant results.
Thanks so much, Lucia. So can you explain a bit about what are the societal, economic, and environmental impacts and benefits on the local territory and community of the world, please?
Yes, so the Catalan Water Partnership has a very strong local dimension. We are a regional association, and by statuses, it's required that our members have at least a subsidiary in Catalonia. Our headquarters are located in Girona. And so let's say that all our members are concentrated within a radius of approximately 300 kilometers. So by boosting the competitiveness of the Catalan water sector, and fostering innovation projects, I think that we can have a very strong societal, economic, and environmental impact. So we oftentimes have demonstrators in Catalonia, for example, and we have promoted several projects, for example, focusing on the improvement and maintenance of water infrastructure, so a very key asset. This project usually targets the optimization of resources, network efficiency, wastewater treatment effectiveness, and, for example, a project focusing on the detection of water leaks that had a pilot study in the province of Barcelona, so that we applied artificial intelligence, and in this way we were able to save water and also preserve its quality, which entails environmental, social, and economic benefits. We also had projects related with civil protections, for example, in the early warning systems to detect floods, and also projects related to governance. So we developed a digital platform to optimize water management and governance in a small water basin that had some water allocation conflicts. And finally, also would like to mention that Catalonia has very high tourism activities, especially on the coast. And the nexus between water and tourism is a topic that we've been working in for approximately 10 years. So by making the tourism sector more sustainable, we make sure that it's a more resilient activity and we contribute to its long-term sustainability in this very crucial economic activity.
Mm-hmm. That's great. And what lessons have you learned and what challenges would you have faced and how did you overcome them?
So first of all, I think that COVID-19 was a major challenge. In that context, what we did was shifting all our activities to a virtual format. So we focused on capacity building in digital technologies. We had webinars for scientific advances, the management of human capital, and even internationalization activities and B2Bs. Then secondly, at present, the main challenges is represented by the drought that is affecting Catalonia. And in this sense, we try to put together the supply and demand side for technological solutions. So we showcase best practices and success stories related to water efficiency and water reuse so that we foster change in the industries and we help them cope with the restriction. And finally, another challenge could be the discontinuity in funding. So all our projects are funded by public entities, and this could undermine the long-term sustainability of what we do. And in this case, to overcome this challenge, we try to broaden our services and project portfolio. So we work at regional, national, and international level. And regarding lessons learned, I think that what matters the most is trust, so that our members can trust us. And in this sense, we try to position ourselves as a neutral actor, so not aligned with the interests that could possibly arise. And in this sense, we are one of the few associations that have both private and public utilities.
Mm-hmm. Nice. And finally, let's talk about the future. What is the future vision now? Can you provide some tips and tricks also for walls that are currently in process of establishment?
Yes. So talking about the future vision, I think it will be shaped by the needs of the sector and our members. And I think what lies ahead are complex water-related challenges related with changes in the global water industry, climate change, advancements in technologies, and so on. I think that the main areas of focus that we will consider in the next few years will be, of course, the protection of water bodies, superficial groundwater resources, the optimization of the water management cycle. Also, thanks to instruments and tools from the digital area, the development and implementation of innovative technologies and solutions, such as technologies to overcome water-related challenges, such as water scarcity, pollutions, and climate change, through the promotion of R&D, innovation, and technology transfer as well. Strengthening their partnerships and collaborations with other organizations beyond the water sector, especially in water-intensive sectors. And, of course, supporting the growth and competitiveness of the Catalan water industry. And to mention a tip for water-oriented living labs that are currently under development, I would say to seek alliances with as many actors as possible, not only within the water sector itself, but with water-intensive industry. So seek for other, clusters, industries, associations that may need solutions for sustainable water management.
Mm-hmm. Thank you so much, Lucia, for providing us such valuable insights into the Catalan Water Partnership.
Thank you very much, Desi.